job. I had a girl, but something going mystery in this world. I gotta lay you down at the Lambia. Although when bad times got hard, now I work down at the car wash, where he only ever does it rain. Don't you feel like you're a rider on a downbound train? It's just a joke, I gotta go. We are the ones, we got it anymore. She packed the bags, left me behind. She bought a ticket on a central line. At night I still sleep, I heard her whistle whining. I feel her kiss in a misty rain. And I feel like you're a rider on a downbound train. Hey! Last night I heard your voice. You were crying, crying, you were so long. You said your love, I never died. You were waiting for me around. And put on my jacket, I ran through the woods. I ran till I thought my chest would explode. There in the clearing, behind the highway, in the moonlight, our wedding is shown. I dashed through the yard, I passed through the front door, my hand pounding guard. Up the stairs I'd climb, and the room was dark. Our bed was empty, then I heard a long whistle whine. And I dropped to my knees on my head and cried. Hey! I swing a slash, a hammer on a railroad gang, knocking down the cross ties, working in the rain. Now don't you feel like you're a rider